So hello guys, in this video we are going to solve this problem. So in this problem it is given that we have this equation. So equation is x plus 1 की power 4 minus x minus 1 की power 4 is equal to y cube, and we have to find the integer solution of this equation. So let's see how we can solve this. So we will use inequality method. So we have this equation x plus 1 की power 4 minus x minus 1 की power 4 is equal to y cube. So if you open this, like if you calculate x plus 1 की power 4 and x minus 1 की power 4 and simplify this, so after simplification it will come like 8x cube plus 8x. So you can do this simplification yourself. So it will come 8x cube plus 8x. Now let's assume x comma y is a integer solution. So we are only seeing now a case where x is greater than equal to 1. In that case, we can say that this 8x cube plus 8x is lying between 2x whole cube and 2x plus 1 whole cube. We can easily say that because this 2x whole cube is 8x cube, so this is obviously greater than this. And here, if you open, then obviously you can find that this 2x plus 1 whole cube is greater than this quantity. So we can say that the 8x cube plus 8x is lying between these two cubes, and we know this thing is equal to y cube, so we can replace this 8x cube plus 8x by y cube, and after taking cube root we can say that this y is lying between 2x and 2x plus 1. But y is an integer, so between 2x and 2x plus 1 there are no integers that y can take. So here for x greater than 1 we cannot find, so for x greater than equal to 1 we cannot find any integer y, so there is no integral solution. So now the remaining case is x less than 1, which is x is equal to 0 and minus 1 minus 2 etc. Those cases are remaining. So now see those cases. So we have this equation. So in this equation, if you replace x by minus x and y by minus y, so this equation will come like minus x plus 1 की whole power 4 and minus x minus 1 whole power 4, and here minus 1 whole cube, and here you can take minus 1 common and it will become like minus 1 की power 4 and x plus 1 की power 4, which is simply this is plus 1 and x plus 1 की power 4. So this expression will come like x minus 1 की power 4 minus x plus 1 की power 4 is equal to minus of y cube. So this is exactly same as this equation. So we can say that if x comma y is a solution, then minus x comma minus y is also a solution. But we see that like x greater than equal to 1 there is no solution. So for x less than equal to minus 1 there is also no solution, because if x comma y is a solution then minus x minus y is also a solution. But for x greater than equal to 1 we find out that there are no solution possible. So we can say that for x less than minus 1 there is also no solution possible. So the remaining case is 0 comma 0, which is satisfying this equation. So 0 comma 0 is the only solution of this equation, and in this way we can solve this.